Hello, this is Jill Burke, and I'm here to talk to you about how to use the Criminal Justice Research Paper Guide. So, the first thing you want to do is go to Library, and then come down here. These blue boxes over here are research guides, and these are things we the librarians have put together for the students to use. The easiest way to get there is to scroll down until you get to the C's and Criminal Justice. And here it is, Criminal Justice 101 Research Assignment. Here is a guide to help you with your paper. The easiest and best thing to do is to watch each of the videos in numeric order. So this is video number 1. Since I'm putting it together right now, it's not on here. So here it is, how to use this guide, video number 1. Over here, you'll see the assignment and rubric when I get that up there. By the time that you are looking, start the semester, all these things will be in place. Down here are some library databases to use, and we will go into how to use databases later on. Over here is video number 2, the difference between an academic journal and a popular periodical. This is a requirement of your assignment. You need an academic journal, and this video will tell you how to recognize and know if you're looking at an academic journal. Over here on the right are the APA citation. Here is the sheets that help you format your paper in APA citation format. And down here is the citation basics, where you use to put together your reference list. I'm going to the second part of the guide, the second page, disproportionate minority contact. Again, here's a video, keyword searching, video number 3. When you're done looking at video 1 and 2, you'll want to look at video 3. Keyword searching is about the language that you use to search when you use the databases or Google or any type of search engine. Down here is a video that I put together before, how to use the library databases. This talks about some of the language that you will need to use to search within the library databases for your academic journal article. And it also goes into how to use the actual databases. Down here, once again, are our databases. SmartSearch is a database. It's not the database, it's the search engine that searches 50 different databases at one time on the library homepage. And that's probably the best place to start for this assignment. Up here, video number 5, finding statistics from the websites on the table. That will be in place also when you start your semester, but right now I haven't created it yet. Here we are, websites with statistics on race, gender, ethnicity, and socioeconomic status. This is a table. This tells you a little bit about how to operate the table. First, you have your topic, if you're doing arrests or bail, sentencing, incarceration. Over here on the left are the different demographics, race, ethnicity, sex, and socioeconomic status. So what you would do is you would go to arrests, if that was your topic, and you want to look at say, race. And under here, race and arrests, all these different websites have statistics on them that will help you. And that's how you use the table. Video number 5 will go into it in much more detail. The next page are programs and policies. Again, policies are something that the state and the federal government create. So here we are with different different policies. These 3 top ones have to do with the recent Criminal Justice Reinvestment Act in Maryland. Down here, these talk about different types of reforms in other states and what's going on. You can also find other state reforms and criminal justice issues by using Google or by looking in the library databases. Over here are practices and programs. These are things that are put into place by different groups, different nonprofits, and that sort of thing. These are different ones and they talk about different things. So some of the programs and practices, the website is the general one and it has all sorts of different things. And some are more specific, such as this one, the sentencing project. This has to do with sentencing, like it says. So there's lots here. You can take a look at different ones and see what you can find. Predictions. We out here on the left part of the page, we have steps to writing the paper. These are different steps that you should take to develop your paper. Down here, we have how to write a college research paper guide. This is the guide that a librarian, one of the other librarians, has put together that discusses how to write a college research paper, and that could be very helpful to you. Over here, we have this link to the CCBC Writing Center, where you can take your draft project over to the Writing Center. You have to make an appointment, and they will help you there to create a better draft, a better final product. The Purdue OWL is the premier online writing resource, and it talks about all sorts of different aspects of writing papers, citing research, all sorts of different things. Here is a video text chat with a librarian, and I'm going to click on that. The library has gone to video text chat sessions with a librarian. At this point, you can definitely come into the library and talk to a librarian, but you may also want to come into our chat room where you can either Zoom reference with the librarian so that they can see you, or you can turn your camera off, whichever you find easier to do. And down here, it will tell you of the hours that this is available. This is available for more hours at this point than the library is actually open. I'm going to go back. And here's a research assistance program. This is a form that you can fill out. Here, schedule a research appointment with a librarian, and we will set somebody up to talk to you about your assignment and to actually help you. And we can do it by telephone, we could do it by Zoom or Teams, whatever is easiest. Or sometimes you can come into the library. So, going back to the front page, not the front page, going back to this page and to the research basics. Here are some other different things. We also have an email, and we're hoping that we get the email within an hour of its receipt, unless you send it when we are not there. And here's a couple more videos on how to find and use ebooks and print books at the library. The hours of operation for when the library is open and what you can do and what's available are right here. And this is me. I'm Jill Burke. And you can send me an email if you wish to set up a research appointment or if you have any questions. The easiest way to send me the email is to, here is my email address, and copy and paste that into an email. So, if you have any questions, let us know. You can email me, you can email the library, you can video chat with a librarian. There are lots of different ways to get a hold of us. Going back to the home page. So I hope that this has helped you. We'll go on to video number 2.